myself Manashishra, and today in this video I am going to show you a creative art by using Python and the programming of logo. So let's start. So I just have to open my program, that is the turtle program, and run it. As you can see here, the art is started to be drawn. Okay. Yes. This is very creative and beautiful art. You can see here, and I will give this art's code in the description box. You can go there and check it out. I'll just take a screenshot of it. Yes, very nice. And then in that last it will be over. Yes. So guys, I hope you liked this program, and thank you.